What's up, guys? It's morning time.
What up, what up, what up?
Yeah, so last night was our last night in Ubud, like I said yesterday. And we're packing up right now. We just had our breakfast. It's about 8:30. Okay. But yeah, so today we are heading to
Singaraja.
Singaraja.
That's not even a place, that's a one.
So today we're heading to Singaraja.
That's the guy.
Where are we going today? Where are we going today?
Singaraja.
So what?
Singaraja.
I'll work on it.
Say it. Singaraja.
I'm just gonna start saying Sangria.
Guys, we got an update on the bike. Remember the bike that was in a wreck and we had to put in the shop? So the guy actually drove down here about an hour and a half. And it's over here. You can check it out. Man, it's crazy. He fixed it in a day. Oh, it would have took less than a day, but he didn't have the tools. But remember when this wheel was pushed back, so he had to replace this whole thing in the brake. So now it's good. Drove it all the way from I don't know what the place is called, but it's about an hour away. But man, that was awesome. But it cost us. Let me fix my exposure. It cost us about 600,000 to fix it, which is only like I think it's like $40.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was only $40 fixed compared to the bike being totaled, because that bike was not going anywhere, man. So we're about to head to the cafe. There's no Wi-Fi at our place, so we need to actually do stuff on the laptop, and then we need internet for it. So we're about to go to the cafe. I'm gonna return these bikes. Basically a travel day, so yeah, I really don't have anything else in the hood, really. But we got a really cool Airbnb, and I guess we'll see you there.
Yeah.
Currently having trouble locating our villa. Been driving around for a good 30 minutes. Can't find it.
Yeah.
Guys, just got to our villa finally. It's the outside. Alright, thank you. And mold.
And the bathroom at the back, yeah?
So, room number 1.
Oh, nice. Nothing, Chris. Nothing.
Any mold? Oh, that's nice. That is nice. This is clean. Dinner is served. Look at this.
Pretty hungry too.
Made some fried rice, chicken satay. You hungry, Jack?
Yeah, I haven't
This
eaten
is
all
good.
Cause it's never enough. So what hand will you play? Is it too much to ask if I should go or I should stay? In the moment of doubt, put your hand on the flame. When you need to remind yourself that you could feel the same. I'm not betting on a miracle to give me peace. I'm not asking for a miracle, just you and me.
Fly, Eagles, fly.
Graham has a reputation of relentless effort and Jeffrey
Oh wow. Good morning. We actually been up for a while now. I had to charge up the battery, so we didn't have enough batteries to put it on this camera, so it didn't work. But now, battery's all charged, we're all good to go. Didn't get to show you all the view of the place yesterday because it was dark. But yeah, we get beach view. 11 a.m. here. I'll take y'all down below. Klopp here eating some breakfast. Klopp, say what's up.
What's up?
Chilling here watching the Super Bowl on my little phone.
Play it first on Xbox One, but
I'm not sure what we're gonna do today. Look, there's the pool right there. It's a beautiful day out. But we have till 5 p.m. until it rains. It rains every day at 5 p.m.
So pretty eventful morning. Eagles won. We watched the Super Bowl to this morning at 7:30. Well, Chris did. I didn't go to bed, or I didn't wake up till like 8:30. But after the Super Bowl, we spent about 4 or 5 hours editing, had some lunch, and now we are packing up and heading to Singaraja. I think that's how you say it, maybe not, something like that. But it's about 15 minutes up north. It's a bigger city. Apparently there's a beach, more tourists there, and we'll kind of see how it goes.
Yeah, I wanna know if you're gonna be there.
Alright guys, so we have a situation here. I was actually flying the drone trying to get the shot, and I didn't see this wire. I didn't see this wire right here, and somehow my drone got caught. Luckily it didn't fall to the ground because it probably would have got ran over. But somehow I need to shake this wire and drop the drone and catch it.
Say hello, Jack. Say hello.
I got it!
It's hard to believe I see it, yeah, yeah. Why do I get the feeling we're getting close?
Jack and I were on the way home riding our bikes, right? And we saw a Ferris wheel. And it was colorful. It was like a circus in a way, but and then so we pulled in. We pulled in, and we came upon this. Like, where are we right now?
Chris, you ready for this?
Ready? Countdown. 3, 2, 1.
Is it more than a feeling? I wanna know. I wanna know. I wanna know. You're gonna be there. It's hard to believe I see it, yeah, yeah. Why do I get the feeling? I wanna know. 'Cause it's never enough. So what hand will you play? Is it too much to ask if I should go or I should stay? In the moment of doubt, put your hand on the flame. When you need to remind yourself that you can feel the same.
What's up, y'all? What an exciting time that was, wasn't it? Yeah, me and Chris were on our way from dinner, and we were surprised we found this. But we started walking back to our villa, and we got here, and look at this.
Pitch black.
Our power is out.
It's our luck, man.
Right when we thought we had it all. We have another problem with Airbnb. What do you think, Chris?
Just our luck, man. Our freaking luck every time. And it was a good day too. Got back from the amusement park. But the beers are still stuff. Not a terrible day, but I hope we get this power. But I'm just like trying to wonder damn, we're gonna have to sleep in this heat or go on the beach and sleep, or maybe sleep over there with people. I don't know. Just stay positive.
We are back in action. Chris, any comments for the last?
It wasn't too bad. It was like 30 minutes. It was not
Yeah.
terrible.
So that will be it.
And good morning, guys. What's up? Welcome to day 12, I believe. Another fabulous morning here at the compound. Oh yeah, I didn't get to show you the whole outside of the house, but yeah. Oh look, there's a cool shower here. Wow, does it work? Oh wow, it works. That's pretty cool. Morning, Jack.
Good morning.
This is our friend, Katu. Hi, Katu. She's mad at us because we woke up late. Are you mad at me? Sorry. So she's cooking dinner, right? What is this?
This rendang and then this barbecue ketchup.
This is what?
Rendang from the wheat.
Oh, it's like a marinade for the meat.
Yeah.
What's that one?
And this from the pig. Barbecue ketchup.
Wow, looks good. Looks like we're eating what is that? Chicken?
Yep, chicken.
Yum. that know me, I'm terrified of heights. That's my number one fear in life is heights. But you know what? It's on your head. We're gonna do this. We're gonna conquer our fears. And we're gonna jump, baby! We're gonna jump! 1, 2, 3, go!
Written in the skies. Oh, we build love from all these broken parts. Oh, what if our love is written in the skies? It's a town, but we build love from all these broken parts. And that's just fine, we'll be fine, stay true.